Alright, this will be the elevator here at Thornburg Station in Valley View, Ohio. You got your Thornburg Station sign. KONE Series 220. Two is locked, so we are going up to 1. Here we go. Here are 1. Seems pretty smooth. Right on the P. Okay, cab view. Very nice elevator. Here at P. I'm gonna take this for another round trip. Lantern is completely dead. Back up to 1. Here we go. This thing is so smooth. Here at 1. But on the P. The close button works. It's a KONE 2,000 pound capacity. Here at P. Let's watch it close. And that's it.